In this Circuits of the Past video, Herman shows you an update from the restoration of the Reims-Gueux Circuit in northern France. Reims-Gueux, as fans of this channel will already know, is Formula One's ultimate abandoned circuit. On the 28th of August 2020, remember back when we used to be able to go outside and travel and do things? Shock! Herman, the founder of the Circuit of the Past website and YouTube channel, was a guest for the foundation Les Amis de Circuit de Gueux, or Friends of the Circuit of Gueux in English. This foundation is a foundation that restores the old circuit buildings. Jean François Prevot from the foundation is now speaking about the restoration. Herman, here we are in the Gueux racetrack store, and it's the day for restoration works. That means that every Friday a team of about 25 volunteers is coming to work at the Gueux racetrack facilities to do the restoration of this historic monument. Since 2004 we've been restoring buildings, like this Pavilion de Marx, or in English, Brand's Pavilion, which was totally abandoned. You can look at the pictures of this abandoned condition, pictures that you'll know very well. Today this building can almost be used just like it was in its origin in 1960. Pavements and walls have been restored as well as the electrical supply. We can now stay comfortably inside. As you see, over there we restored the BP logo, which was totally damaged. In 2.5 years, the complete masterpiece has been restored. Furthermore, we've restored the Pavilion Lambert, which is the one that you can see at the entrance. The building has been today renewed, cleaned, and is available for renting. We rent it for private events. We now have a new project consisting of restoring the stands. Last year we organised an event called the Reims-Gueux Legend. It brought us a little bit of money in that we'll be investing to the restoration of the stands. We'll be starting with those stands at the beginning of September 2020. So we invest ourselves a lot here. We're working hard to improve the condition of the site with a certain degree of success. That success is through our limited possibilities that we have. We have patrons and we have registered members, and today they total about 200 members, and that's it. That's all I can tell you, Herman, about the site. As you know, this racetrack was created in 1927 and has been used until 1968-69. Today our objective is to restore the facility like it was at that time, and then to organise events in such a way that our guests would have similar feelings to those that felt them when they raced cars back when they were driving then. With thanks to Mr. Prevot there. I have one little correction. The Reims-Gueux Circuit was used for Formula One French Grand Prix up until 1966, but it continued to be used for national races up until 1972. The interesting fact here is that they actually wanted to demolish all of the buildings immediately after the last race. However, a new mayor stopped the demolition works, but not before the first pit boxes had already been destroyed. Thank goodness the mayor stopped it then, or otherwise we wouldn't be able to enjoy any of this place coming back to life at all. After 3 decades of abandonment, the foundation got permission for the restoration and the guarantee that nothing else would be demolished. We'll now show you some comparisons of footage that Herman made through the years. you can clearly see what a great job the Foundation Les Amis de Circuit de Gueux does to preserve this piece of motorsport history. So if you want to support them, please visit their website ami-do-circuit-de-gueux.fr. There'll be a link which will be much easier to deal with down in the description. By the way, the official name of the circuit is the Circuit of Reims-Gueux. Internationally, it's better known as the Circuit of Reims. The circuit is located near the village of Gueux, but the closest city is Reims. When you speak to the locals, they speak of the Circuit of Gueux, not the Circuit of Reims. I smell some contention here, but that's why the name of the foundation is called Friends of the Circuit of Gueux. If you want to know more about the history of the Reims-Gueux Circuit, you can read all about it in an article on the website www.circuitsofthepast.com. Or you can watch one of our other videos about Formula One's ultimate abandoned racetrack. We also have videos around the exploration of the buildings, including on places that are normally closed for the public, like the creepy dungeon below the pit building. We also have a video on all the layouts of the circuit too. Oh, what more could you ask for? If you want to visit the Reims-Gueux Circuit, I recommend you download the free ebook about 7 abandoned racetracks that you can visit legally on the website too. There you'll find information about travel directions from this circuit, but also 6 others. A direct link to it is on the end card for this video. For now though, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out on the next video from another bygone Circuit of the Past.